Welcome once again to our detailed business news segment. Today, we're focusing on a major announcement from GSK, the esteemed pharmaceutical behemoth based in London, which has recently uplifted its financial outlook in a move that has garnered attention from industry watchers and investors alike. This adjustment in forecast not only illustrates the company's robust performance, but also reflects the strategic acumen of its leadership under CEO Emma Walmsley. GSK has revised its expectations for the year, with a new projection for an 8% to 10% increase in annual adjusted earnings per share. This is a substantial uplift from its previously forecasted range of 6% to 9%. This optimistic revision has been attributed to a stronger-than-anticipated performance in the first half of the year, largely fueled by surging demand for its vaccines, notably those against respiratory viruses and shingles. The first quarter results were particularly strong, with GSK reporting sales of £7.36 billion, or about $9.18 billion, which not only beat the consensus estimates of £7.07 billion, but also showcased a robust profit of 43.1 pence per share, significantly higher than the predicted 37.3 pence. These figures underscore GSK's financial health and its ability to outperform market expectations, reinforcing its position as a leader in the global pharmaceutical market. Under the strategic leadership of CEO Emma Walmsley, GSK has focused intensively on vaccines and infectious diseases, while also advancing its portfolio in HIV treatments through long-acting therapies. Walmsley's vision for the company is not just about maintaining market position, but is fundamentally about transforming GSK into a more agile and innovative entity, capable of meeting contemporary global health challenges head-on. Looking beyond the immediate financials, GSK is gearing up for a significant phase of product launches with an ambitious plan to introduce 12 new products starting in 2025. These products are expected to cover a range of diseases and conditions, potentially setting new standards in healthcare treatments and prevention, which could further solidify GSK's market dominance. For 2024, GSK's leadership has expressed confidence in achieving the upper end of its projected sales growth range of 5% to 7%. This optimistic revenue outlook reflects the company's effective execution of its strategic initiatives and robust pipeline of innovations. As GSK continues on this upward trajectory, the company remains committed to substantial investments in research and development. These investments are crucial as they fuel the pipeline of new therapies and solutions that are expected to transform treatment paradigms across various medical fields. The implications of these developments are vast, with the potential to significantly improve patient outcomes globally. The impact of GSK's strategic decisions extends beyond its immediate financial metrics and into broader economic and social realms. The company's focus on developing groundbreaking healthcare solutions positions it as a pivotal player in addressing global health issues. As such, GSK's journey is closely watched by healthcare professionals, investors, and policymakers alike, who are interested in the broader implications of its innovations on public health and economic stability. In conclusion, GSK's updated forecasts and strategic initiatives are not merely indicators of its current success, but are also blueprints for its future impact on the global healthcare landscape. As GSK continues to innovate and expand, its role in transforming healthcare and improving life outcomes cannot be overstated. We will continue to provide comprehensive coverage on GSK's progress and the broader implications of its success in the dynamic landscape of global healthcare. Stay tuned for further updates and expert analyses in our upcoming segments.